Hey there, we're going to show you how to add a blog post with the Enfold theme. Enfold is one of the two themes we generally use here at Winning Team Group. So what we're going to do, I've already logged in here, and depending on your user level, you may see a little bit less than what I have. But basically, you want to go to Posts and then Add New. And this is pretty universal in WordPress. Enfold theme versus our other theme that we use in Preza, they'll give you different options in terms of graphical layout. But I'm just going to go in here and I'm going to type test post 123. And I can just click in this box here and just start typing hello world. Okay. Now, this is pretty intuitive. I can add a picture from my media library. So let's just say I want to add this little laptop picture. I can add that. I can go to add media again and click upload files and then select files from my desktop that I want to upload into this blog post. I can set the alignment left or right. I can edit the image. There's a lot of different things I can do. You can bold words. So there's this little WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get editor. So I can hit the bold button or the italics button, and that will help manipulate that. I can make a bulleted list. So I just click bulleted list. First item, hit enter. Second item, third item. I can link. So let's just say this first item here, I want to link it. I'm going to highlight it and hit insert link. Now I can do a page from my website. I can type something in, or I can copy and paste. So I'm just going to say, I'm going to link this to Google just for the sake of this. I can click this, find pages on my site. I'm going to check this option here, open in a new tab. Okay, very intuitive. Now I can add a video gallery. I can add a form. There's a lot of different things, but we're going to keep this simple. I could link to a PDF. If I wanted to link to a PDF, I would hit add media, then click select files, and then upload the PDF, and it would go directly into the blog post. So then I'm going to hit publish, okay? And that's going to publish the blog out to the site. The moment you hit publish, it's going to be live. There's another button that's preview. I don't really recommend that because your preview changes can cache, and that can get confusing for people. So if you're doing a simple blog post, I would just hit update. You can go to this, right click, open a new tab, and the new, you can't see it here in this recording, but I'm just going to click on it. You can see, here's my blog post. Okay, this is the way our site is set up. Your site will probably be different. Now let's just say I'm not happy with this and I want to edit it again. I just come up and I click edit post again. Okay, I come in, I make my changes, I make sure I hit update again. Okay, now when you hit update, this blog post will automatically show up on your blog page. One thing I want to point out is this thing called categories. If your site is set up to have blog posts on certain pages based on categories, you're going to want to make sure you check them in here. If your blog page shows thumbnails of images, you're going to want to make sure you come down here to featured image and click on that featured image. So let's just say, where's my little laptop picture? I'm going to clip that laptop, hit featured image, and then I'm going to come up here and click update. Okay. Now I'm going to go directly to our blog page. Again, yours may be different based on how we set it up for you. If I come to my blog page, here's my featured image. You can see I set this as uncategorized, and then I can click on the title to go in and directly view this blog post. One thing to note, when you do set a featured image, sometimes the featured image will show up at the top of the page, as well as back on this other page. That's the basics. If there's something else we can do, you can also always schedule a professional training with us, and we'll be happy to show you whatever you need on your website. Thanks for watching.